If you've ever received an MDisk link on Telegram and weren't sure how to open it, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the easiest way to open an MDisk link from Telegram on your computer, whether you want to stream the file online or download it directly. This is a super simple process, but if you've never done it before, it can be a little confusing at first. So I'm going to walk you through it step by step, and by the end, you'll know exactly what to do. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software and tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Telegram Desktop or Telegram Web and go to the chat where you received the MDisk link. Once you see the link, you have two options. You can click directly on the MDisk link, or if you want to be extra careful, you can right-click on it and choose Copy Link. Copying the link is usually the safest option because it lets you open the exact URL in your browser without accidentally clicking the wrong thing. After you copy the link, open your preferred web browser on your PC. This can be Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or any browser you normally use. Once the browser is open, click into the address bar at the top of the page, paste the MDisk URL, and then press enter on your keyboard. As soon as the page loads, you'll be taken to the MDisk web page connected to that link. From there, just follow the on-screen prompts. In many cases, MDisk will give you options to stream the video online or download the file directly to your computer. If you want to watch it right away, choose the play or stream option. If you want to save it for later, select the download option and let the file begin downloading. Depending on the file and the page, you may need to wait a few seconds, complete a verification step, or click through one or two buttons before the video or file becomes available. That's completely normal, so just follow the instructions on the screen and continue until you reach the playback or download page. And that's really all there is to it. The main thing to remember is that Telegram itself is just where you receive the link, but the actual MDisk content usually opens in your browser. So if you ever see an MDisk link again, just copy it, paste it into your browser, and choose whether you want to stream or download the file. I hope this quick guide made the process easy to follow. If it did, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple how-to tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.